What is your name and age?
Hello, good morning. My name is Naomi. I'm 35 years old.
Why did you decide to work for Alpaca Expeditions?
I've worked here since last year and joined because it was the first company to hire women. When our CEO Raul decided to employ women, it gave us the opportunity to generate income for our families as the majority of us are single moms. He also provides us with medical services and transportation, as well as our work uniforms. These benefits make us feel happy and supported.
How come we're going to get that name as Machu Picchu, as an old mountain, ancient mountain? Thanks to our local people who were living at the bottom of this mountain. For them to see this part was old, ancient.
What is your name and age?
Hello, good morning. My name is Marilani Wilka. I'm 28 years old.
What inspired you to be a porter?
Nature, Pachamama, and the archaeological sites. I lived in the sacred Inca Valley since I was a little girl and enjoyed being in nature.
What is your favorite part of the Inca Trail?
My favorite part is enjoying the trail of my ancestors, which as a student I knew about but never had the opportunity to visit. Now thanks to Alpaca Expeditions, I have the opportunity to be a porter and enjoy our ancestral archaeological sites. The trail is beautiful, and although challenging, the fatigue doesn't prevent me from enjoying the hike. I describe to my family the sights of the Inca Trail, but it's not the same as experiencing the trail firsthand.
Can you tell me of your favorite memory of the Inca Trail?
The most beautiful memories I have of the Inca Trail are walking and being connected to nature, and encountering animals that although I have in my village, I'm able to interact with closer on the trail.
last words you would like to share with us?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to express my appreciation to Alpaca Expeditions. They have given me an amazing opportunity to be a female porter, and I'm proud and happy to work for them.